for hi Cheryl, what time you get off to work? Early today. Good evening, my angelic heart. Angelic heart. I hope you are doing well. Thank you. And you won the dance competition. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Done. Yes, yes. Can I take you to a Burger King? Burger King. Thank you, 18 people. Are the chickens everywhere in the Philippines? Yes, they are everywhere. Everywhere here in the Philippines. Okay. Oh shit.
Lupa ang kaunan na. Lupa. Lupa ang kaunan na. Lupa.
Hi, I'm by Sheryl Ohm and family. Keep on achieving. Thank you. Your video is real clear. Is this artificial intelligence? Oh my god. Are you okay? This is real. Even I'm not using retouch. So my skin is real. I'm not even using effect. Something like that. So if you can hear this virtuals, I'm not affected. Tongue sky. Down. I'm not a troll. So why are you saying that? No. Is this artificial intelligence? Why you say artificial intelligence? Oh my god. You're getting my nerve.
Init.
Oh my God. I guess you are well because artificial intelligence cannot be offended. Huh? Cannot be offended. My God. Where are you from? Damscott. Hello from Poland, Roman Napieralski. Hi. Why are you awake at 4 a.m.? Is this wrong? Why awake? Hello, I'm from France. Hi, I'm from France.
เพราะว่าคนนี้ทำวันเขาต้มทำที่ได้เขากำลังเขาต้ม
Thank you po.
เพราะว่าคนใหญ่
6 a.m. What time na ba?
Wow, Lana, Lion, Bat.
4 a.m. in the morning. Look. Wait. What island do you call home? What island do I call home? What do you mean?
Kulihan na kami doon. Kulihan na kami. Kulihan na kami.
Thank you for watching. I'm sorry you are in a bad mood. No, I'm not in the bad mood. I'm just answering. I'm in a bad mood.
Sipon mo lang, nag-aem ka. Dahil nakapagod ka na.
Thank you. Come on, let's coffee. You have a great Wi-Fi connection. Really? Because no one can use, only me. Maybe. If everybody awake, oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, 20. You are very cute, you know. Where? Man always like that. You're cute, you're beautiful, blah blah blah. What do you want? It's funny. Because it's right? Funny, no? Just say thank you. I haven't asked anything from you. Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Sheryl. Oh.
na.
How long have you been married? I hope I'm getting married before no one can marry me, because maybe they can't afford me, something like that. It's not the wedding ring. Here, engagement ring. Yeah, this is an engagement ring. Getting married soon. Maybe you can say congratulations to me, something like that. Thank you, advance. Engagement ring is it's big and beautiful. Congratulations, Sheryl. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Thomas Scott. Oh, too much work. I love you, baby. Don't need to cry while I love you, baby. Look to the I love you, baby. My hair is it's much bigger than the ring I gave my late wife. I thought it was the entire wedding ring. He must love you a lot. Oh, really? Uh-huh. It's much, yes. Maybe he much, yeah. He, we both love each other. We both love each other. Just wake up. Oh my god. Your hair looks even better. Brush out. Up. Thank you, Sir Tom Scott. Where are you from? Sir Tom. I'm from Texas, USA. Thank you for joining from USA, people. Shout out to you. finally, if ever happen, if um it will happen, can I ask you a more personal question? Okay, what is that? No, a respectful question, something like that. What is Kwan? What is your question? Ask. I have no money, sorry, Char. If you ask me money, no. What is your question? Thank you so likes. I I'm finding it hard to find Filipino older than 35 that speak good English. You speak good English. May I ask, how old are you? How old are me? I'm 41. Ah, 45. Ah, yeah, 45. Honestly, I'm 41 years old. 41. That's it? Why you don't like young Filipina? 41 perfect age and you speak such good English. Young Filipina is good, beautiful, fresh, like young Filipina is good. 30 plus, 31, 30s, 25 to 30. Perfect age. 40 above is not good. And not too much good, but one. Different age at the age of 40. I just turned 62. At the age of 40, 40 above. Different age. Something like that. At the age of 30, 31, 32, blah 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 blah. 30 is perfect age. Perfect age to find to something like that. 25 above. My wife died when I was, oh wow, died. Car accident. She feels sick. And then you're getting married again. I started feeling interested in women again after her death 15 years ago. Oh, okay. And then what happened to you when you already find your someone, something like that? I lost the day of my youthful years. Healing the hole in my heart. Yes. The man like that. For healing is a long process for the men. Sometimes they use people just to heal, and then after they healed, uh, something like that. I am Puerto Rican. Sinigar, Santa. I wish I found you before you accepted the India. You found me? Oh, Miguel Suarez. Sir Tom. I think we destined to meet each other, something like that. Because it's a very we both something like we destined to meet each other. My future hobby. With this be your first, yeah, my first time marriage at the age of 41. First time. I have a relationship before, but he have no plan to marry me. Yeah, no plan. But congratulations, I hope you will be very happy. Thank you, Sir Tom. You are great. Thank you, Senegar. Thank you, Senegar. You, I hope it will be, it will go on. It will happen naturally. But if, but I think relation you have long hair, not too long. No, he's not a Pinoy, he's American. I meet him here on my live, on my YouTube. Just before New Year, I met him, I think. Then officially in a relationship this year. Really congratulations again on Opa. I know pa. The Opam. Maybe you have lots of talking Filipino, something like, because you know about the Opam, the Pinoy. Are you in a relationship with Pinay, Filipina? Or you have a lot of talk Filipino, Filipina, something like that. You fun when you are not angry. I'm not angry. Maybe I'm just one. I'm just Sir Tom Scott, because you said artificial intelligence. So, huh? Something like that. I'm not angry about that. I'm just explaining. Maybe when I'm explaining, I'm not one. I'm not looking good. Maybe something like that. That's why you misunderstand. You misinterpret my face. when I'm explaining. But I'm not angry. Angry. Sorry, my English is poor. Thank you for not being tampo. Why should I tampo? Why should I feel tampo? No need to feel tampo. No reason to tampo. Ah, blue gold, why you miss me? You thought I was a troll. Ah, okay. Yeah, I hate trolls. A lot of trolls here. I don't like trolls. I eat trolls to lunch. I eat trolls to lunch. Blue gold. It depends on trolls. Some are fun. Me too. I moderate other channels and get rid of the trolls right away. Yes. Ah, you moderate the other channel. So that's why you talk a lot. A Filipina, Filipino, something like that. That's why you know the word tampo. You have a Filipina girlfriend? First from Scott. Yes, I have several Filipino friends. Just friends. That
Ayan lang,
roots.
clip.
Clip.
Clip. Tingnan mo lang clip mo.
Hindi ko matandaan kung hain. The thruster is loud. Yes po. German Vega. Greetings from Colombia. Okay. I visited Cebu last year for 3 weeks for my birthday. Oh, you visited Cebu last year for 3 weeks for your birthday. That's good. So what's happened? So you have a Filipina. You meet a Filipina, right, Tom Scott, to celebrate your Kwan birthday. A lots of foreigner visiting Cebu. A lot of foreigners having a Filipina living in Cebu, something like that. Do you have any old photos when you was no? No, because that time no one can take me a picture that time. Can't afford to take a picture some my young age. Why? Yeah. Thank you. 15 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 12 people. Thanks a lot. I visited about 3 Filipinos that I met on YouTube and have been peaceful friends with. We are just friends. Huh? Just friends? Oh my god. Oh, really? Got you. Blue gold. Just friends. Hi from Denmark. Hi, Thomas. On my way to bed. Someday, so true. It's only a dream. It's time alive to say goodbye. So is your American going to live in the Philippines? We're just planning about it. It depends. Depends po. It depends the situation. Thank you, people. Sinigor, Sinta. Your name is Sinigor Sinta. Wow. Do you have a sister that looks like you and speaks English so well? I'm the youngest daughter of my father. And so my sister, they're all married and having a happy family. Something like that. Excuse me. I'm the youngest of my mother and father too. Oh, may gulay. Thank you. Thank you, 15 likes. I wasn't meant to be then. That's okay. I'm still happy for you. You waited long enough for love. Yeah. I'm happy now. If something wrong, like if it happened, if if ever if if having a problem, something like that, if not uh, happened about the marriage, something like that, I think. Kwan. Good morning, Olay. I'm going to subscribe to your channel. Maybe we can be friends when you learn I'm trustworthy. I'm trustworthy. I don't know. You know what? People are good at first, but and then the other one, they're not one. They should what true colors. Hello, my heart. Gohari. Hi, Gohari. True colors. You have a great smile. I, I have a great smile, but not complete the teeth. I have a muscle. You know, I'm a tiny, but I have a muscle. So I have a muscle. Teeth can be fixed. What's wrong with your teeth? It's gone. Broken. Get lost. Good early morning share. Hi, Sir Chris. Hello. Hello, Santiago. Hello, Santiago. Early. 4 in the morning. My God. 4 early in the morning. New day, another day. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Early morning. Is that all? Is that all? No, not all. Just here. And then this. Sign of aging. Nice. Nice. You are cute like teeth. You have cute little teeth. Really. Very pretty, I think. Really? I'm pretty. Oh my god. Do stretching. I'm getting old, so I. Yes, you up to Zare. You're a pumpkin, get that fixed for you. I will stick around and wait for it to get. How do you stay so thin at the age of 41? I walk a lot. Yes, I'm teeny tiny. I'm thin. I walk a lot. Sweating. Why you not have a 5, a 12? Huh? What is that? "41 years of stress, but still fixable." Fixable. 4 foot, 4 foot and 8 inches. What? What is that? My height? Okay. What is that? My height, Sir Tom? Excuse me. 5 black. Santiago. Why you laughing? The pizza pull so cold. The pizza pull it. Huh? My late wife was 5 foot and 2 inches. Okay. Hi, Hoss. Hi, Angel May. This Dog. Sir Tom Scott from Angel Me. Maybe Angel Me, Sir Tom, she knows you. Hi, Angels from Sir Tom, Serbia. You are a Nepali. I'm a Filipina, living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. 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 I'm from the land of Philippines. Welcome, and Angel from Sir Chris. Hi, Angel. Thank you, Angel. Sheryl, you get up. You crazy. Oh, shh. This is my new channel, Sir Tom Scott. My old channel, honey. Okay. Thank you. The house is nice. Saint Angel. Where are you from, Angel? Hi, Igenyo Carbonari. Hello. Cheryl must be drinking coffee. Her spirit is lifting high. That's right. I am from Philippines. Saan ka dito sa Philippines? I like your, Like this. Cheryl. Cheryl Dolly. Saan ka dito sa Pilipinas, Angel May? Great smiles. I like it. Zaire Danson. I am funny. Rosario. Hello, Sabella. Hello, Cheryl. Are you? Hi, Sir Gas. I'm fine. How about you, Sir Gas? Let's. Hi, guys, from Sir Chris. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you. 22 people. Uh, really, Shara Dolly? Hello, Zikian. Hello, Christmas guys. Healy will. Healy will. Angel me. How long have you been on YouTube, Cheryl? Sorry, Tom Scott. I decided on YouTube on 2020. It's pandemic. I felt so sick that time. Sick. And then going back here on 2020 because I'm working on Manila, then I decided to going back here in Bicol because I felt sick and doing YouTube for distraction, the boredomness that time because it's also no work. So I'm doing making a videos that time. At 2021 my channel is monetize my channel, and then because I need to work for support my family, need to earn money that time. Too much busy. I have no time here on YouTube. Because YouTube requires even on 6 months. In 6 months, you need to be even upload short videos, doing live. You can post it, but me, I forgot uh, about uploading videos here, even the live, because too much busy. 2023, my channel demonetized, so I I will get lost. Then last year I decided to going back here, then back to zero, to reach the goals again. Being a partner of YouTube, a partnership program. So working hard last year, then doing live, making a big juice. And then this year, January, my channel monetized. I do it again. But before I started, oh my god, I joined the groups, just helping, support by support, something like that. I'm joining the group um, for reach the goals. But now, because I'm doing YouTube and working at the same time, so I'm just not too much making friends here on YouTube. I'm working because I'm working, because if they supported me, and if they will, no need to, if the person, if I'm asking supporting me, something like that, it's not good if I'm not supporting back, because I'm too guan. I'm too what do you call this? I'm busy. Hindi ko alam kung Zaire din. So, hindi ko alam kung I think YouTube is a great job for Filipinas with personality. You should do it. Maybe I think I'm not a good personality. I'm not like that. Yeah. I'm not nice. If I'm upset, yeah, you will see me like that. I'm not pretending nice, but I'm not like so. But I don't want to pretending nice. But if it's nice, but if I'm not, but I'm not. Ew. I'm not good like other Filipino. So hi guys, sorry. I'm not like that because a lot of Filipino are good and beautiful, but me like 50-50. Until I'm like a middle. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes almost not good. Yes, you're right, Sir Tom Scott. Love you. You're beautiful. Kind, get closer. You can be nice when you want to be. It's okay not to be nice to troll. Nice to trolls. Huh? It's really hard to be nice. Yeah, it's really hard. It's really difficult for me to be nice. Because it's me. Sorry. That's why it's okay. I really appreciate those people who likes me, something like that. Because me, all the trolls, I don't like trolls, so sad. I'm so sorry if I kicking them out the trolls because I don't like liars, haters, something like that. Fake people. Have new have new earnings at YouTube? Yes. New earnings. Yes po. Thank you so much to share your blessings, guys. Because for YouTube, I earn for the future. I will build a mansion. Something like that. I can save money for the future. Teo, hi Teo. Your different name on Teo, like my friend Teo here on YouTube. Different one. A Filipina told me I needed more patience. She was right. I remind myself of that every time I feel offended. What? A Filipina. A Filipina told me I needed more patience. Hello, you are beautiful. Thank you for liking me. Hello, beautiful lady. Greetings from Italy. Hi, from Italy. Thank you for joining. Prophet Zacharias. Hi. I'm fine, Louise. You are very charming. Bleh. Eh. Bleh. Char. Filipina are expert on using. No, I'm not. My patience is like something like that. Not all Filipina. Maybe you meet a good Filipina. Sir Tom Scott. You are lucky you meet a good Filipina. Having a lot patience is kuan, something like you meet a good you right. You on the right you meet on the right Filipina. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Angel May. I like your openness and directness. Openness and directness. Something like that. Openness and directness. Openness. Like and subscribe. Thank you for subscribe, Angel Me. I like your streaming sis. Thank you, Angel Me. Thank you. I really appreciate. I'm doing a live streaming while I watch you. Ah, really po. Ano po yung name mo? Yung main account mo? Para mabalikan po kita. The Filipina told me I needed more patience. Gave me a dose of Tampo once. She even turned her back and wouldn't look at me on a live stream. Too cute. Huh? The Filipina told me I needed more patience. Give me a dose of Give me a dose of temper once. She even turned her back and wouldn't look at me on a live stream. Oh, wow. You're so you're Filipina, so sweet. But I think I realize now I'm not sweet. Oh my god. You are a lucky having a Filipino, something like that. She's nice. Thanks for your support, Tom and Angel from Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Chris. This is it. Welcome from Angel. Sir Tom, Filipino, it's so sweet like a candy. Like a candy. She's not Filipino, just a friend. Just a friend. You're lucky having a friend Filipina. Are you sure? Just a friend. Really, just a friend. Greetings from Germany, the Madzeo. Hi, the Madzeo. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Wait. How send money? Oh, you have to choose how to send money. I have a Gcash on my bio. PayPal. I have on a PayPal. Super chat. Super sticker. Membership. Something like that. Gcash, PayPal. Something like. If you want. Cheryl is cheated from too many past lies. Someday she will trust me. Cheryl is jaded from too many ayahs. I have a trust issues. Something like that. It takes time, Sir Tom. Someday, someday, someday. I hope so. I don't know. Tio, Tio. You are a damaged woman. Yeah, absolutely. My trust issue is I having a trust issue. Sorry, guys. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Good morning. Good morning to you. Do you speak? No, not speak Spanish. That can be fixed. Greetings from Colombia. I hope so, Sir Tom Scott. Because, Kwan, I'm not, something like, I'm nice people. I'm doing nice to the people, but they choose to hurt me, something like that. So, uh, I use, I go to Serbia. No. Why should I go there? See, I'm not a bad guy. You started thinking I was troll, and now I have you gigging. Gigging? What gigging? Hello, Big Lon. Hi, Big Lon. What's in the bags? The bags. Hi, Big Lon. You are here too from Sir Thomas Scott. Thank you, Big Lon. Hi, Tom from Big Lon. Don't forget to tap. Thank you, Biglon. Biglon is everywhere. He lives in Texas. To about 45 minutes drive away from me. Wow. Thank you, Biglon. Thank you so much, Biglon. Thank you so much. God bless. Hey, Tom. Sir Don, hello, my friend. How are you doing? I'm doing live. How are you? How are you, DJ? Long time no see.
Kung kumain si Maria, kasi sabihin mo, naglakaw si mama. Pag-intuhan ko, dahil si mama. Pag-intuhan ko. Siguro mo, marubak ko lang si mama.
Thank you so much, everyone. I'm doing great. Thanks. So when is the wedding? Pretty soon. All Filipino love to sweep the floor. Something like that. Sir DJ, pretty soon. Pretty soon. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Sir DJ. How about you? How are you? I'm Kwan. I thought. I thought just a friend, but no. Yeah, I realize. Sorry, I'm just cleaning.
Thank you. Okay. Do you have a boyfriend? Uh, husband to be. Good morning. Hello. Oh, and I pray. Oh my God. 5:18. I felt gone. Hi, Jay. I was reading your profile. You are in Bicol. I've never been there. Ah, okay. Cheryl, I'm not single, Wilson. Yeah, I'm Bicolana. I'm not Bisaya. A lot of foreigner meet a Bisaya, but I'm not a Bisaya. I'm not a lot of foreigner meet a Bisaya. Cheryl, good afternoon. Morning, sir, here. Maybe afternoon to you. Morning here.
Ito naglakaw-lakaw na.
How's your dad? My father is sleeping now. He's sleeping now. It's the Naga language that different from Bisaya. Bicol language is different than Bisaya. Yeah, different. Different. Like good morning, something like that. Good afternoon. Like basic language is very different. Is that case, Cheryl? Good morning. In that, yes. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. How are you, Sir Dwayne? Thank you. Yeah. Because a lot of foreigners meet the Bisaya. Yeah, Bisaya. You defining the Bisaya. Foreigners find the Bisaya. A Filipino Bisaya. Seven. Cheryl, my wife and I are doing real good today. Thank you. Okay. That's good, Sir Dwayne. Thank you. Thank you. How are you, Sir Tom Scott from Sir Arjun? How do you say thank you and same like salamat, same salamat. I am good angel. Same salamat in Tagalog. Tagalog, same salamat, thank you. And the good, the in Bisaya, Bisaya, the beautiful is guapa. In Bicol is different, magayon. It's different. How was your day? My day is good. Okay, and your welcome is nothing. No, no, not like that, Sir Tom. Not like that. That good, Sir Scott. Not like that po. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Fred. Yes, you're right, Tom. From Angel May. Kapi. Kapi is done. Already done the kape. You're awake early, yes, because I need to go at work early. I need work. I need to work for the economy. The terrible world, lol. Terrible W word. What is that, sir, friend? Ah, that's the work. Where do you work, Cheryl? Here in the Bicol. I'm working here in Bicol. Forgot, lol. The word. The work. you can you can kwan put me in time it because this is my live my channel. It's she's a volunteer worker. Yes, I'm a community volunteer service worker. Sir Caleb, good morning, Sir Caleb. Sorry, too much information. What kind of work are you doing? About nutrition, related about related about nutrition, Sir Tom. Sir Jay, hey Caleb, good afternoon to you. Sir Caleb, good afternoon. Good morning here in the Philippines. I'm doing live, Ronnie. Sitting down and doing live talk to you guys. Something like that. Hi Cheryl, hi Sir Fred, how are you? From Sir Caleb. Thank you so likes. Are you married? Look, Ronnie. I nutrition, I'd listen to you about that because you are in a good shape. A good shape. A good shape. Ha? Ano pa? Ha? Wala pa. Tinapay. Good here. How about you, Caleb, from Sir Fred? Ha? She in perfect shape with all the Zumba and walking. Yes, I walk a lot. Zumba. Zumba. Been busy getting some orders, finish mowing yard, getting loan furniture out for family barbecue. That's nice, Sir Caleb. That's nice po. Yeah, it's barbecue season now. Enjoy, Caleb. Hi, Rihan. Ah, it's barbecue season. Wow. Alright. Weather turning good there. In America, I'm from I'm from the island of Philippines. Sorry. Brother broke the handle on the barbecue grill cleaning tools, so we made a new handle out of old ex handle. One break na. Yeah, it's getting hot. Oh, wow, that's great. Getting hot in US. Swimsuit. Summer feels. I'm alright. I'm alright. I need to end the live soon because I need to prepare and going to work. So thank you guys. to all you guys. Only 7642 island in the Philippines. Guess which island Cheryl lives on? Bicol. Bicol province. It's always hot in this stream because Cheryl is hot. Huh? Huh? I'm surprised. Hello, beautiful me, miss. Hi, thank you, what? Beautiful. I'm hot. Take care po. It's always hot in this stream because hot 6 is Cheryl. Me? Thank you, Sir Fred. If I open the bra, you will disappointed because no, you will. The hi, Lady David. How can we connect on WhatsApp? Why? Why we connect on WhatsApp? Enjoy your day, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Tom. My father talked to me. She is smiling. He is smiling at me. My father is smiling at me. My God. He said, enjoy your day, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Fred. I need to go on. It's too good too early. Yes, I don't think they allow smoking in this channel because you are smoking, right? Oh, I'm not smoking. I don't smoke. Sir Caleb, I don't smoke cigarette. I try to something like the cigarettes, but I choke. I'm choke, something like that. Thank you, Sir Caleb. Tell you that I said hi. No, I don't. I no need to tell my dad to say hi. Someone like Tom. Nagkato sa ano, sa walang gutom. Oh, because if I said hi, who tell the hi, Sir Tom? Maybe he said, I'm cheating because you're a man. Tom is name of a man, so I'm not. My father is not Kwan. It's different. When he says smoking, it means you're making the camera smoke because you're hot. Ah, okay. Ah, wait. I'm loading. My brain is loading, thinking. When it says smoking, it means you're making the camera smoke because you're hot and sexy. I'm hot and sexy. Are you sure with that? Maybe I'm cute, but I'm not like that, my God. Oh, Dad is a good guy. He keeps an eye on his beautiful daughter. Take care, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Jay. Yeah, I'm just cute, but I'm not hot and sexy. I hope so. I'm like that. Char. Thank you. Yeah, hot and sexy. Wow. Oh my God, Sir Fred. Someone, Sir Caleb, says hot and sexy. Oh my God, I'm hot and sexy. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. The cat. Look at the cat po. Oh my God, the cat. Aisha is like the girl next door. Cute. I'm 41 years old, Sir Tom. I'm getting old. I mean, going expired, better. Cute and pleasure to get to know. Oh my God. I wish I'm a sweet 16, something like that. Better give your camera a break. It might not work. No more overheating. Blah. There. Yeah, sit a little look over your shoulder. Little look. What? What? What about my shoulder? She will never admit it, got it. Yeah, I'm because I know you're joking me. Never wish you were a teenager again. You know those years were not that great. I like that Sheryl only 22. How I wish. What? I'm joking you? No. Are you serious, Sir Caleb? Oh my God. Sir Fred, Sir Caleb, tell me. I'm hot and sexy. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God. Good. Well, still. Oh. Yes po. Oh, thank you, Sir Caleb. I really appreciate po. Okay, calm down na. Uy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Makulugan si Kim, oh. Mainom ka bulong? Sa sike? Ha? Don't get overworked before going to work. Yeah. Severe in. Oh, family is arriving. Take care everywhere. Thank you, Sir Callie, for joining. Time is it? I need to prepare, Sir Fred. Oh my God. 7. 7. 7. Ah, 6. 5 pala. Oh, thank you, Sir Fred. God bless each and every one of you on the other side of this screen. Thank you. Wait lang. Right, Sir Fred. Mag-inom na singguan. Yung bulong. Oo. Ha? Diin. Ano na mo ko doon? Hindi ba da? Diin. Ini ka bulong. Kaya bali, hindi naman sa nagaan ng mga bulong mo. Bali, hindi naman nagpakulong mo. Ano ka bulong? Ha? Hindi ka mabili sa liit. Kay. Kung bumili sa may hindi ka mabili, ako man. So then, go prepare din siya. Yes pa. Wait. So Fred, need to because I need to prepare going to work. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you sa likes. Thank you 11 people. Thank you guys. Bye. It's your dad ill? I just spent weeks taking care of my 93-year-old mom. She passed away yesterday. Oh, well, sorry to you, Sir Tom. Bye bye, Sir Fred. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Sir Tom. Everyone here. God bless. Bye. Bye bye.